Hello everyone, it's Alfred here again with another YouTube video. This time we have both the Icon Professional Large Combination wrench set in both metric and standard. On the left side we have the standard 4-piece set, no skipping sizes of the large combination wrenches. The sizes that are included in this large combination set is 1 1/16, 1 1/8, 1 3/16, and 1 1/4. So this is a 4-piece set. As you can see, it says precision machine for a perfect non-slip fit, tough and durable polished chrome finish. Includes premium storage tray and chrome vanadium steel. With the lifetime warranties, you can see there from Harbor Freight. Item number is WCS-4. We turn it here to the side. Just says professional large combination wrench set, 4-piece standard. And in the back, as you can see, here's what the red tray looks like, the storage tray. A little bit of information here. Durable, slim profile design, prevents corrosion and grease buildup. Angled, easier work, balanced handle, polished steel, 15-degree offset for knuckle clearance, making it easier around obstructions. 12-point end here at the bottom. The size is here as well. And again, with the lifetime warranty. So this is the standard here, and then to the right we have the professional large combination wrench set in the metric sizing, no skipping. This one continues off from the other combination wrench set, the regular sizing. This one goes from 20 to 24 millimeter, again, and no skips. Same detail, the non-slip finish, chrome vanadium steel, lifetime warranty. This one here is a 5-piece set. You can see here's some information here in the back. Here is the item number WCM5. The tray here, as you can see, this one's in black. The standard tray is in red. Same material. So here is a little bit of information here to the back. Same 15-degree offset, same lifetime warranty. So you can see both large professional combination sets are drastically bigger. So you can see the box, just on the box size alone, the wrench sizes, even though for the metric is the large combination and the standard is large combination, the length, overall length of the wrenches themselves are a huge difference from the standard to the metric. Again, for the standard, you do have the bigger overall sizing, so it makes it a little obvious, of course, of why the usage is for bigger heavy-duty vehicles and heavy-duty things need to be done. Obviously, the lengths are a lot bigger. Mechanical automotive work, the 24 millimeter. The 20 to the 24 millimeter is great sizing overall. So obviously, if you do need anything bigger, Icon in just the standard professional combination set in metric, they don't have anything bigger unless you go with the ratcheting wrench route. For the extra big ones, they do include bigger sizing, but for standard combination wrenches, this is the biggest as it goes for the Icon. So let me actually open them up and I will be right back. Okay, I got both wrench sets out of the box, and as you can see, there is a huge difference on the wrench sizing. Put these together here, just on the overall box sizes, but also the wrench sizes as a comparison. Out of the box, you do get this plastic cover, I guess, for shipping protection or for the wrenches. As you can see here, comes again, the metric comes with the black tray. The standard comes with the red tray. Let me put this off here. So you can see a little better. The metric from 20 millimeter to 24 millimeter. They look really premium. This is the nicest set of wrenches that I own. There's the part number there. You see the 12-point. Looks really good quality here. So yes, so here is the metric, and as far as the standard, again from 1/116 all the way to 1 1/4. Substantially bigger wrenches. Let me take out the biggest wrench of the metric and the biggest wrench of the standard, so you can kind of see that size comparison. So the 24 to the 1 1/4 inch. So it's definitely a lot bigger. Here is a little bit of the 1 1/4. Looks very nice quality. Here is, sorry with the camera angle, the part number. But yes, I mean, overall, this is my nicest set of wrenches that I currently own. I did just a couple weeks ago buy the 16 piece, I believe, Icon combination wrench set in both standard and metric. Those go from, I believe, 6 millimeters to 19 millimeters, and then for standard, I forgot what the sizing was, but I did get those wrenches, and then I did want to complete the set of the bigger wrenches, so I went ahead and got the large combination wrench set to kind of follow through on the sizing. So just a quick overall unboxing, first look at the Icon wrenches. Definitely can't wait to try these wrenches out. My automotive things that I do here at the home. But anyways, if you have any questions, leave a comment below, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.